Hey everyone, I'm at Paradise Park Hotel, Los Cristianos, and I'm going to take you a wee walking tour to Montaña Chayofita. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have had a few attempts and I think that'll do it. Montaña Chayofita, you get the idea. It's an observation deck and it's along this way. Languages was never a strong point in school. So here's a wee walking tour and I'm going to show you the observation deck. Now, I have stayed in Los Cristianos before, but I've never actually been to this observation deck. So I'm hoping this will be interesting. Definitely gives some good views. And it's a very warm day. It's a wee bit overcast. It's about 9:30 in the morning. And I thought it's going to get a really hot day, so get out, do some videos, show everyone Los Cristianos. And if you haven't been to Los Cristianos, it's a lovely place. It's quite a relaxed kind of place. Far more relaxed than Las Americas. Now in South Tenerife, basically 3 areas where tourists mostly go, and that's Los Cristianos, Las Americas and Costa Adeje. Now you can break them up into 3 groups. The Los Cristianos group, it's more for the older folk a wee bit. I hate to say it, but I think it's more my place a wee bit. Do like it, it's more relaxed, chilled out. Las Americas, that's for the young ones, it really is. Don't know if it's quite family friendly. But Costa Adeje, that's more luxury, more upmarket. For hotels, it's definitely more upmarket. But I do like all 3, just for different reasons. Torture of a day. Observation deck, I'm just going to call it the observation deck. Montaña Chayofita, I think. Anyway, it's about a 20-25 minute walk. I'm a fast walker, so I'm guessing I could do this in 20 minutes. Now, I have actually been down this way before. I've been down that way, and I remember it being so hot that I had to take a wee stop underneath the trees a wee bit, get a wee bit of shade. It was really hot. Thankfully I'm not doing this in the middle of the day. Here for a week, so I'm going to do as many videos as I can in the morning. Easiest way to do it. What's a wee restaurants here? It's a pizza restaurant. Shorthorn, what's this? Canary and Maria, I don't know. Street burger. Cafe, bar, restaurant, tapas. It's just unfortunate that doing these videos early in the morning, not everything's opened up yet. Nice roundabout fountain, really like that. to say that's a really nice roundabout. I really like that. It's quite nice. Look at this waste. Surely they could do something nice here. Park for kids or something. If my voice if my voice doesn't sound too clear, I've got a bit of a sore throat. We were in Dylan's bar last night, having a few drinks. Get talking to a nice English guy. Johnny's name is it? I'm not got the second name. I think it's quite well known. If you're seeing this, John, it was nice talking to you. Give me a few wee tips. Now, at the time of filming, the Scotland game is on tonight, so I don't know when this will go out. But it did tell us Dylan's bar, €30, and you get to reserve a table for the Scotland game. So we're going to go and watch that. I'm here for a week, so the time I get home and upload it, it's going to be a wee bit out of time. But we'll see. Not actually a football fan, but I'm Scottish and you've got to support the team, so we'll go and have a good wee night. I think they've got some Scottish acts doing some things, so it should be good. So, and I should say the €30 that you pay, that reserves you a table, but it comes off your drink bill, so it's well worth doing. I've got a funny feeling it's going to be packed, so we'll see. Now, I'm sure this observation deck is going to be really nice. I'm sure the scenery is going to be lovely. I have to say, the best observation deck I've ever been to, I'd have to say the Summit 1 at the Von Vanderbilt building in New York. That was amazing. The views of New York. Also the Empire State Building, that was really good. But one of the best views of New York, I would say, is from the Statue of Liberty Island. Getting to see the city for that, it's iconic, it was great. I really liked it. So I don't know what this observation deck's going to be like, but I've got a feeling it's going to be nowhere near as good. But it is what it is, and I'm sure the scenery will be lovely. Just a different kind of scenery. Now, I believe the observation deck is just along here, and going by the time it's actually 14 minutes it's took me to walk, but I'm a fast walker, so if you're a fast walker it's going to take about 15 minutes to get here from the Paradise Park Hotel. Now, going by Google Maps, I believe the observation deck is behind that building. So we've came right along that road and we're just heading over this way. Now, I think the observation deck is over there somewhere. So we'll take a walk along here, see if we can find it. There's one. I don't know if you can see it outside. Montaña Chayofita. So, this is it. I have to say, I'm glad I'm doing this in the morning, not later on. It is rather hot. Well folks, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's up there. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to walk along this way and see what there is.